So why do your videos have no sound on the iPhone? Let me walk you through some possible reasons. Let's get started. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, when you check out your photos library and just go to your videos, it is possible that it's simply muted, which you can unmute with a click of a button right there, and the sound should be playing now. Then the next step would be to adjust the volume, right? So if you're using your built-in speakers or headphones, whatever, just go to the control center and bump up the volume so you can actually hear it, right? So that is the first basic approach to fix this issue. But it could also happen that the video has muted sound in like the edit page. So whenever you click on edit under the video, you can also just mute the video like that and click on save, and it just appears that the video has no sound at all. And in that case, you have to just unmute it and save it like that, right? So that is what you can do in order to bring the audio back to the video, right? Because you should keep in mind that whenever you go to the camera and start recording a video, the sound is always gonna be there. It's impossible to record without the sound. So if it's not present in here, it's likely the reason which I've shown you before. But when it comes to some downloaded videos from the internet, or when somebody shares something with you over AirDrop or whatever, those videos can literally be set up or edited to have no sound, and in that case there is absolutely no way to bring the sound back, right? Because simply that's the file and you have no way to come up with the sound anymore. So I really hope that I can help you out with it, or at least explain how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix the issue or what exactly is going on in your case. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.